I don't remember the exact year or I know the meeting was in Arizona, and I was speaking in a workshop. There was a workshop with myself and my mentor, Dr. Tom Parsons, and Walther Parsons, I think, and John Butler and Alan Redd. So it was a workshop about mitochondrial DNA testing and why STR testing. And so that was sort of my very first exposure. And I just remember it being such a great meeting that I was able to interact. At this time, I was still, right out of my master's program, starting to work on my PhD. And so I knew a few people in the field, but that was really where I think I got a lot of exposure to meeting people from all over the U.S. and from the world, actually. I remember the meeting that was in Los Angeles and Hollywood, and Alec Jeffreys was a keynote speaker. And I just remember walking around. It was sort of later in the evening after the opening reception. I remember walking around the corner and ran into him. He was by himself, and he stood there and talked to me for probably a good 10, 15 minutes. And just being able to meet, the man who sort of started this field was amazing. I also really enjoy the personal stories that you get from ISHI. I remember the meeting that Kirk Bloodsworth was a speaker, and his powerful story was very touching, and it really kind of gives you a focus on why we do what we do.